adorable.
Baby, I need to get you my cigarette. Right, quick.
Look at that little doggy. Look at her.
Okay, get back where it was.
Dad, look at this. And I even got some tongue. Oh, Dippy! Come on, put him back on. Put him back. Oh, she just took them off with her paw.
You've been through. That was almost 2 minutes.
Come on, can you keep him on? Keep him on for just a couple more minutes. Okay? You don't even have to put him on your face. Well, it would be cuter if you did, but you don't have to. At least do that for me, okay? Or not. Oh, look at that. They just slip right off her face. We need some smaller pairs. Come here. I just need to put those on you and them stay on you so I can take a nice little video of you. Look at that. It's so cute. Here. Dad, I just noticed something. It looks like we have a mini Elvis. We have a mini Elvis. Thank you. Thank you very much. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're beautiful. Oh, Dip Do, say hi to the camera. Oh, too close. Yeah, I caught it. I know, I caught your mouth. Now keep those on, please. Oh, keep them in. Cramp. Look at this. She's just laying there. Look at her. She's just keeping them